Hi, my name is Purav Desai, and I'm the co-founder of Recube Circular Solutions. So the problem that we are trying to solve is the single-use plastic packaging crisis. India itself discards about 26,000 tons of single-use plastic waste daily, out of which 40% of it is contributed by two industries, which is the food and beverage and the FMCG industry, and 45% of it remains uncollected throughout. So the environmental cost of current packaging is too high, and the life cycle of each packaging is less than 30 minutes. That is single use, and and it enters the landfill waterways, and it causes a lot of issues. Single use packaging is also one of the highest contributors to climate change as well. So what is the issue that we are facing? Is the make, use, dispose economy, which is actually called the linear economy, which has created the issue in the last 50 years. What we are trying to transition towards is a reuse economy, making material that is as many times as reusable and durable as possible. And what we finally want to transition towards is a circular economy where whatever material is used is always in the loop and never gets leaked out in the environment. So the entire global market of sustainable packaging is about $85 billion. Total Indian market is about $5 billion. And our 5 year vision is to capture $100 million market of India in sustainable packaging. So how we do that? We have three ways that we go about with our solution. And it is the old age philosophy of reduce, reuse, and recycle. So how we are inculcated throughout the entire value chain is what I'm going to explain in this slide. We reduce the plastic content in our packaging by manufacturing reusable and durable packaging made out of crop waste. So we are limiting the plastic packaging in that content. We enable each packaging to be traced by a QR code, which helps us trace back each packaging as to where it is in the supply chain. We also set up unique systems, unique refill points and reuse mechanisms to ensure that each packaging is reused multiple times. So how we do that is that we create a closed loop system where we collect material back, sterilize it at a facility in Mumbai, and again bring it back into the system, effectively creating a closed loop economy. In the FMCG market, we are reducing the primary, secondary packaging by enabling mobile refill truck stations that will refill the home care and personal care liquids at the doorstep of a customer. And at the end of the day, we also ensure that every packaging that we are putting out into the system is collected back and ensure the entire life cycle end after its life cycle. So these are some of the products that we manufacture. We manufacture cups for food and beverage, and we manufacture containers as well for food. We work with over 70 plus clients such as Burger King, Starbucks, Thick Shape Factory, etc., and a lot of events as well that happen at Weekender and Supersonic. We've done about $600,000 in revenue in the past 1.5 years. We have a manufacturing capacity of 90 lakh pieces monthly, and we've worked with over 120 plus brands as such. Our material is made out of rice husk, bamboo fibers, wheat straw, and crop waste that mitigates plastic. So this is our IoT-enabled reusable packaging platform, which tracks back each packaging where it is in the system. We are also leading the refill revolution in India by having an e-refill truck come to the doorstep of a customer and refill it in their own packaging, thereby eliminating primary, secondary packaging as well as least carbon emissions while transporting in terms of having a green supply chain. So we've signed to NDAs with Unilever and Nivea, one of the largest home care and personal care brands globally. So the entire point is to make sustainability affordable and accessible and make quality products without any packaging reach to customers' house. By doing that, we add convenience of online shopping. We save money on each purchase because we sell it at less than the MRP price. We limit the plastic carbon footprint, and we also enable the poverty tax, which is essentially people buying it in small packets but have to pay more. So we eliminate that usage as well. So after that, who are we? So we are a smart enterprise that changes the way stuff is consumed. We have two verticals, cuppable and refillable, primarily working in the F&B and FMCG market. We've been fortunate enough to be recognized by UN Young Champions of the Earth, which is we were the Indian and Asia Pac regional finalists, which is one of the highest environmental honors globally. We were winners of Maharashtra Startup Week and Reboot the Ocean by UN, Greenpreneurs, and part of Unlimited India as well. So what exactly is our impact? We saved over 5 million plus disposables from going to the landfill. We have provided 1,000 plus farmers a subsidiary income, and we saved over 28.8 tons of plastic from going to the landfill. What we ask from NCSI is connections to private and government housing societies for a refillable truck, connections with FMCG manufacturers and retailers for refillable, restaurant connects for cuppable, and corporates for CSR programs for plastic reduction. We also are on the lookout for strategic investment partners as well as partners for growth in both our verticals. Our investment need is about $1.5 million, which is equally divided between refillable and cuppable, and through different programs in terms of team building, infrastructure building, as well as a product expansion and global expansion. Our team is a mix of youth and expertise, having a background in manufacturing, marketing, as well as sales. We've been recognized by a lot of media publications globally, right from Forbes to Your Story to Clean Tech News in London. And we lucky enough to be featured across all the publications. Thank you.